What's up, YouTube? Frosty the Iceman here. It's a little cold. It's real late on a Saturday night. We just got finished doing a late night repair, broken conveyor. I wish I could have taken some video of that. That was a trip. But I want to show you a tool made by Assenmacher Specialty Tools. It's a stud puller kit, and it's something that you really ought to think about putting in your arsenal. Now, these guys have been around for quite a while now, and I cannot take credit for discovering this. When I was a kid, about 16 years old, working in the machine shop, one of the guys had a set of these, and it was the only way we could get some of those little studs out of a few of those cylinder heads without either galling everything up or breaking something or stripping the threads out. I mean, these things are awesome. Well, let me show you how they work. We'll pull out this little 5/16 guy right here. And it's shaped similar to like a short spark plug socket. You can get a ratchet in there. You can put a socket on the end. Now, this thing is a little cam lock tool, or like a one-way roller clutch. And it's got your 3 wheels in there. What it does is it slips down over a stud. It works best on, studs that have an unthreaded shank portion. It slips down over that. When you turn it one direction, it locks, and it locks tight. Let me show you on this bolt here. Hard to do while you're holding the phone, but we'll slip her down on there. You turn it one direction, and it is locked. That thing will not move. You spin it the other direction, locked. Now, I personally have put a lot of torque on one of these, a whole bunch. They don't break, they don't give up, but they are rebuildable. And this is a great addition to anybody's arsenal, especially if you're working on anything European, maybe even Japanese. They do have a standard and a metric version. This just happens to be the SAE, but these things are just great. Not that expensive for the whole kit. This is the 7-piece kit. I think they have a 5-piece, and then they have them individually, and they have a larger metric set. So if you deal with anything that has a lot of studs, you can clear all the intake or exhaust studs out of a cylinder head, in minutes with a set like this. Now, if you have a lot of exposed thread, there's another option that I'll show you later on in another video. There's a collet type puller that Snap-on's got. You have to buy all the individual collets for it. I have one of those somewhere too, and that one's kind of neat. You use 2 wrenches and a hammer to release it. But this deal here is just so sweet, so easy to use, and so simple. AST or Assenmacher Specialty Tools. You guys want to look them up. You may just find something that'll be a solution to something you're working on. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe.